How to log into Easystub Employee Account. Hi everybody, in today's tutorial I'll be showing you a quick and easy way to log into Easystub Employee Account. First off, you're going to have to open your web browser and simply search for Easystub Employee Login, just like so. Hit enter or hit the search icon. Click on the first link on easystub.ca. Now on this web page, you have different options that you can use. So the first thing you need to do is enter your company ID. Once you have done that, you should be able to enter your employee ID as well, and this as well as your password. Now, if everything is correct, you can just click on this login button to log into your employee ID. And if you need any help with your password or if you have forgotten it, you could go to the help section at the top right corner. And that is basically how you log into Easystub Employee Account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. I'll see you guys in the next one.